I'm here with Grant Corley at Financial Services Center. And Grant, we've been talking throughout our meetings about, being the CEO of your own retirement. What does that mean exactly?
Well, we believe that when you retire, you actually end up changing jobs, becoming the chief executive officer of your retirement company. More or less to say you're the boss of your new life, and it's up to you to make sure that your retirement is successful. We believe chief executive officers do two things. One, they surround themselves with the right people. And then secondly, they also plan for the years ahead. When preparing for retirement, it's often easy to think about the fun side of retirement, right? I mean, you think about it, you no longer have a boss you have to answer to. No longer will the alarm clock wake you up in the morning. You'll hit the snooze button as many times as you want. Will you golf today, hang out with friends? You've got a lot of different options and a lot of new freedom. But while it's wonderful to think about that new freedom, we also want to encourage our clients to think about the later stages in life and retirement and how you might be able to prepare for that late stage in life.
And so what are these two items that we should really be focusing on?
Yeah, so two things that we believe can help prepare you for the changes in seasons. The first of which is making sure that you have end-of-life arrangements in place for you and your money. And second is also considering simplifying your investment portfolio with a single point of contact. As far as end-of-life arrangements go, we believe there's a couple things that you should consider putting into place for you and your money. One would be a durable power of attorney, which can act as a legal stand-in on your behalf if you're unable to make decisions for yourself. Durable power of attorneys are legal documents that are in place in case of medical emergencies or cognitive decline, or maybe you're mentally incompetent and unable to make sound decisions for yourself. Think of these as a contingency plan for your retirement company. If you can't make sound decisions to operate the company well, you want to make sure that somebody else can take care of them. Secondly, would be in order to ensure an efficient transfer of assets upon your passing, you got to make sure that your accounts are titled correctly and you have proper beneficiaries down. Most people believe that in order to avoid probate and an efficient transfer of assets, you have to have a trust in place. If you have proper titling on your accounts and beneficiaries in place, it can accomplish that same task.
Well, preparing for the worst case scenario, always important. So what else, though, can we do to kind of make this stage in life a little bit easier?
Yeah, when thinking about the later seasons in life and the challenges it can sometimes bring, we think it's a wise idea to consider consolidating your assets to a single point of contact. And there's a few reasons why we believe that makes a lot of sense. First, when you reach age 72, you're required to take distributions out of your retirement accounts. Rather than having to go to two financial advisors and a bank, doesn't it make more sense to go to one point of contact for easy distribution and reporting? Secondly, consider the difficult position that your spouse may be in if you were to pass away. Wouldn't you rather them go to one person who can help guide them with their investment portfolio and the next steps? And then finally, whether it be questions about the economy, statements, withdrawals, you name it. To create more peace of mind and less confusion later in life, working with one point of contact is often advisable.
All right, and finally, if someone wants to reach out to you to learn more, where should they go?
Well, you can do two things. You can go to fscfsa.com and book a free consultation online, or you can call us at 502-426-6577, and we'd love to help you get started on becoming the Chief Executive Officer of your retirement company.
Thank you, Grant.
Thank you.